Hi Anju.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
All good. It's
Thank
long
you.
time after your meeting, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Many people ask me, what is the difference between limited and unlimited contract? Can you just give me an explanation in a simple way so that people can understand? Because you have got a lot of experience in HR.
Okay, so limited contract is a non-flexi contract.
Okay.
Unlimited is a flexible contract. What is the huge difference between these two is limited is something which either both parties cannot terminate the contract within the period of 2 years time. If they want to terminate the contract, they have to pay each other. For example, simply if I am explaining you, if you are resigning when you are staying in limited contract, you need to pay 45 days of your salary to the employer. But employer is terminating you when you are staying in limited contract, the employer has to pay you 90 days of your salary. Okay, so this is the when it comes to unlimited, it is a flexible contract for both parties wherein they can terminate the contract with the help of 1 month notice period. For example, when you are resigning from the company, you need to give 1 month notice period to the employer and leave the company. If employer want to terminate you, employer will give you 1 month notice period. This is the basic difference between limited and unlimited contract. So the exit of company is the main thing.
Okay. Tell me about the cancellation, visa cancellation process.
Okay, you need to undergo two kind of cancellation. One is labor cancellation, one is immigration cancellation. So that is what you have to do immediately after your notice period. So once your last day is over, then immediately what you are going to get is labor cancellation. Okay, then after that your company PRO will file for immigration cancellation. Once immigration cancellation is done, you can stay 28 days in the country as a grace period after cancelled. So you need to get two papers from your company. One is labor cancellation paper and other is immigration cancellation paper. So make sure that you are asking for these two.
I believe some of your basic doubts regarding limited and unlimited contract has been clarified. If you have more doubts on UAE labor laws or different contracts, please mention in your comment box so that we can come up with right solutions. Thank you.
Thank you.